He has his eyes, but he's missing his mouth and tongue and arms. And here we have the mouth. Now, this mouth goes under the flap of the puppet. Okay, now we have to put these arms on the frog. Can you say, I need 2 arms for my puppet frog?
I need 2 arms for my puppet frog.
Good job. And we'll put them on the frog. Hi friends, it's me, Miss Angie. How are you? And thank you for joining me. Today, I have a book that we're gonna read together. This is called I Don't Want to Be a Frog, and it's written by Dev Petty and illustrated by Mike Bolt. What do you think this book is about? Do you think it's about putting some flowers in the garden?
No.
No. Do you think it's about taking a shower?
No.
No. Do you think it's about a frog that doesn't want to be a frog?
Yes.
Yes. Let's read it together and find out more. Okay. I don't want to be a frog. Let me ask you something. If you could be any animal in the world, what would you be? Probably not a frog, right? Exactly. I don't want to be a frog. The frog and the dad. I want to be a cat. You can't be a cat. Why not? Because you're a frog. I don't like being a frog. It's too wet. Well, you can't be a cat. Oh no. I want to be a rabbit. You can't be a rabbit. Why not? Look, I can hop. Boing, boing. Sure, but where are your long ears? Besides, what's wrong with being a frog? I don't like being a frog. It's too slimy. That may be, but you can't be a rabbit. I want to be a pig. You can't be a pig. Why not? Most of all because you're a frog, but also because you don't have a curly tail or eat garbage. I can eat garbage. Everyone says that until they eat garbage. Sorry, you can't be a pig. Oh no, he wants to be all different kinds of animals. I want to be an owl. Of course you want to be an owl. Being an owl is the greatest thing ever. Boy, would you love being an owl. So I can be an owl then? No, of course not. Why not? 1, you don't have wings. 2, you don't look wise. 3, you can't turn your head all the way around. And 4, you're a frog. What's wrong with being a frog anyways? Too much bug eating. I see, but still, no being an owl for you. They're about to eat their bug sandwich. Why so glum? I don't want to be a frog. What do you want to be then? Not a frog. I want to be a cat, or a rabbit, or a pig, or an owl. Something cute and warm. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. What could that be? It's a dog. I love eating cats. I love eating rabbits and pigs and owls too. And I am pretty hungry. I might just go gobble some up right now. That's terrible. It's who I am, but I guess the one thing I never eat. Badgers? No, I eat badgers. Lots of badgers. Frogs? Bingo! Why don't you eat frogs? Because they are too wet and slimy and full of bugs. Oh, so it's good to be a frog? Yup. I guess you can't fight nature. We are what we are. You are a fierce hunter. And you are a wet, slimy, bug-eating, very lucky frog. You should just be happy you're not a fly. What's wrong with being a fly? Gulp. The end. That was a good book, a cute and funny book. What was your favorite part of the book? Was it in the beginning when the frog didn't want to be a frog? Was it in the middle when he wanted to be a pig or an owl or a rabbit? Or was it at the end when he was happy being a frog and he ate a fly? Those are all good parts of the book. Now, in today's activity that goes with our book, we're going to create a frog puppet. And here I've started parts of it. This is a green paper bag that's going to be our frog. We have to add parts to it and say our sentences so that we can create our puppet. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. Okay, now here, do you remember what the main character was in the book?
A frog.
That's right, it was a frog. And the frog didn't want to be a frog. Okay, now, in order to make this frog, we need the eyes of the frog. Can you say, I need 2 eyes to make my frog?
I need 2 eyes to make my frog.
Good job. Now, I'm gonna put some glue on the eyes. And remember, dot, dot, not a lot. We don't need a lot of glue. Now, this frog, the eyes go on the very top. So we're gonna put them on the top. Here it goes, 1 on this side and 1 on this side. Now we have to hold it down. Can you help me? Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5.
5.
Good job. Now he has his eyes, but he's missing his mouth and tongue and arms. Can you say, I need the mouth to make the frog's mouth?
I need the mouth to make the frog's mouth.
Good job. And here we have the mouth. Now this mouth goes under the flap of the puppet. We have to open it. Can you say, open the mouth?
Open the mouth.
Good job. And we'll put it under here and press it down. Can you count to 5 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5.
5.
Good job. There's the mouth. Okay. Now we need the arms of the frog. Do you remember from the book who the frog wanted to be that could hop just like him?
The rabbit.
That's right, the rabbit. But he couldn't be a rabbit because
he is a frog.
That's right, he's a frog. Okay, now we have to put these arms on the frog. Can you say, I need 2 arms for my puppet frog?
I need 2 arms for my puppet frog.
Good job. And we'll put them on the frog. Dot, dot, not a lot. We don't need a lot of glue. Okay, this one goes on this side, and this one goes on this side. Okay, count with me. Let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
And there they are. We still need 2 more. Can you say, I need 2 more legs for my frog?
I need 2 more legs for my frog.
Good job. And we'll put them at the bottom. Now, do you remember what was one of the other characters that the frog wanted to be?
The owl.
That's right. He wanted to be an owl. But why can't he be an owl?
Because he is a frog.
That's right, because he's a frog. Okay, so here are the legs at the bottom. Now, it's missing the long red tongue. Can you say, I need a long red tongue for my frog?
I need a long red tongue for my frog.
Good job. And here is the tongue. Dot, dot. Not a lot. We don't need a lot of glue. Now, I curl the tongue so that way it can be a curly tongue. Now we're going to put it here at the bottom under the mouth. Okay, can you count to 5 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now here we have our puppet. Before we put the puppet on, do you remember what was the last character that he wanted to be? From the book.
A pig.
That's right. He wanted to be a pig. That's another one of the characters. But why couldn't he be a pig?
Because he is a frog.
Because he's a frog. Good job. Okay, now here we have our frog puppet. Ribbit. Ribbit. Do you remember what the frog liked to eat at the very end?
The flies.
The flies. Good job. Now, we're going to feed a couple of flies to our frog. Can you say, I need 1 fly to feed my puppet?
I need 1 fly to feed my puppet.
Good job. And here I have some little papers that's black that's going to resemble the fly. All right. Bzz, 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 bzz. Open wide. Yum, 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 yum. Gulp. Like in the book. He ate it. Now, let's feed 2 more flies to the frog. Can you say, I want to feed 2 flies to the frog?
I want to feed 2 flies to the frog.
Good job. 1 and 2. Bzz, 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 bzz. Yum. Gulp, 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 gulp. Mmm. Yum. Gulp, 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 gulp. Mmm. Oh no. One of our legs fell off. Let's put it back on. Let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, let's feed 3 more flies to the frog. Can you say, I need 3 more flies for my frog?
I need 3 more flies for my frog.
Good job. And here we have 3 flies. Let's feed them to the frog. Bzz. Gulp. Bzz. Yum, 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 yum. Gulp. And 1 more. Bzz. Yum. Gulp. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you for feeding our frog today, reading our book, and saying our sentences. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.